Welcome back, gamers. Are you looking for a top-tier gaming mouse that can take your gameplay to the next level? Look no further, because today we're diving deep into the Razer Viper V2 Pro. This powerhouse from Razer, a brand synonymous with high-quality gaming gear, promises to deliver speed, precision, and comfort. Whether you're a casual gamer or a competitive esports enthusiast, this review will help you decide if the Viper V2 Pro is the perfect fit for your gaming setup. Stick around, and for more information on the Razer Viper V2 Pro, please use the links in the description box down below. I'd add any discounts I could possibly get you on these links. We're diving into the highly anticipated Razer Viper V2 Pro, an ultra-lightweight wireless gaming mouse that's generating a lot of buzz in the gaming community. The Razer Viper V2 Pro is the latest addition to Razer's renowned Viper series, known for its sleek design and high performance. This model is significantly lighter than its predecessor, the Viper Ultimate, weighing in at just 58 grams. This drastic reduction in weight makes it one of the lightest gaming mice on the market, perfect for those who prioritize speed and agility in their gameplay. One of the standout features of the Viper V2 Pro is its upgraded Focus Pro 30K optical sensor. This sensor offers exceptional precision and responsiveness, making it ideal for fast-paced FPS games. The sensor is also capable of tracking accurately on various surfaces, including glass, which is a first for gaming mice. Razer has also introduced their third-generation optical switches in this model, promising up to 90 million clicks. These switches are designed to be more durable and provide faster response times, which is crucial during intense gaming sessions. The mouse also features smart tracking, motion sync, and asymmetric cutoff, which enhance its overall performance by improving liftoff and landing precision. The design of the Viper V2 Pro is symmetrical, catering to both right-handed and left-handed users, although it only has side buttons on the left. This design choice, along with the absence of RGB lighting and the removal of rubberized side grips, helps in keeping the mouse lightweight. However, Razer includes additional grip tape in the box for those who prefer a more secure hold. Charging the Viper V2 Pro is straightforward with the included USB-C to USB-A cable. The mouse also supports wireless connectivity through a 2.4 GHz USB-A dongle. In terms of battery life, the Viper V2 Pro can last up to 80 hours on a single charge, which is impressive given its lightweight design. The Viper V2 Pro's performance is where it truly shines. The combination of its lightweight form, advanced sensor, and optical switches make it a formidable tool for competitive gaming. Whether you're playing fast-paced shooters like Apex Legends or engaging in more strategic games, the Viper V2 Pro offers a smooth and responsive experience. The mouse glides effortlessly thanks to its 100% PTFE feet, and the tactile scroll wheel adds to its precise control. However, it's worth noting that the Viper V2 Pro's minimalist design may not be for everyone. The lack of RGB lighting and additional side buttons could be a downside for those who enjoy a more customizable and feature-rich gaming mouse. Additionally, the DPI shift button is located underneath the mouse, which might not be convenient for on-the-fly adjustments. In conclusion, the Razer Viper V2 Pro is an excellent choice for gamers who value performance and speed over extra features. Its ultra-lightweight design, advanced sensor, and durable switches make it a top contender in the gaming mouse market. If you're looking for a mouse that can keep up with your fast-paced gaming style, the Viper V2 Pro is definitely worth considering. For more details and to purchase, check out the link in the description box below. So do you think the Razer Viper V2 could be your next mouse? Share your thoughts with us in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, happy gaming.